Hello everybody and welcome. I am here with another berry that I got from EATaly. Now last time I made a video I talked about these, the pink lemonade blueberries, which are a blueberry that is supposed to have a slight lemonade-like flavor. Well, at EATaly they also had these. These are Driscoll's Rose Strawberries, limited edition. So, yeah, they're sold as rose berries. And yeah, check that out. They are rose colored. They have like a little bit of a pinkish hue to them rather than your typical strawberry. Here's a regular strawberry right here. You can see a nice dark red color, and you see this one. It's got a pinkish color. I think you could probably find one of these in a little bin of these, but that would mean that it's not a good one. This one, I'm presuming, is like a variety that has a pinkish color to it. So this should be fully ripe and hopefully delicious. I wasn't able to really find a whole lot of information about these. I mean, they're available, but no one's really talking about them the same way that the pink lemonade blueberries were talked about. So I'm not sure if these are supposed to taste like anything in particular. I'm not sure if they're supposed to taste like roses or if it's just the color. I'm guessing this is not so much a matter of flavor, it's just a matter of appearance, but we'll find out. First, I'm going to try a regular strawberry just on its own, that way I have something to base this off of. It's alright. Not the best strawberry I've ever had, but it tastes like a standard store-bought strawberry, like a little watery tasting. I'd say the tartness on that is around the tartness of an orange. It's like a 5. The sweetness on it is a little bit low. I'd say like a 4 out of 10 on sweetness. And these, by the way, these regular strawberries are by the same company, Driscoll's, only the finest berries. That way they're going to be, you know, a little bit more comparable than if I were to use two different brands. So let's give the roseberry a taste. I know it's food with a bite taken out of. It's kind of gross, but that is very white. Regular strawberries are not white on the inside. So it's white all the way through. The appearance on this is really neat. I mean, I guess you can look at it as being looking like an unripe strawberry, like it's not going to be very good. But if you don't think that way, it does have a nice appearance to it. The texture on it is softer. Kind of melts in your mouth. Flavor, though, I'm not too sure. Nothing like too crazy. It doesn't taste like roses. This has more punch to it. It's got a little bit more sourness to it. The regular strawberry said how it was like a 5. This is like a little bit more. I'd say like it's a 6 or 7. The sweetness is comparable. It's not very sweet. Well, there is some sweetness there. It's also like a 3 or a 4. But the notable thing about it is the flavor. This does not have a strong strawberry flavor. It's good for what it is, but the flavor is very... The strawberry flavor is very low, even though it has more of a bite to it. So when I bite into a regular strawberry, it's undoubtedly a strawberry. Like, there's no doubt, you put this in your mouth, you are eating a strawberry. This one, I'm not sure. I think that if someone were to cut this up into little pieces and give it to me, I might not know that it was strawberry. It's not bad, but it has a very mild taste. I don't have a strawberry scale, but if I were to say on a level of 1 to 10, where a 10 is like the best, most flavorful strawberry you've ever had, let's say like that's like the $15 strawberry I bought in Japan, where taking a bite out of it was like getting hit in the head with a bowling ball size strawberry. That would be 10. And then let's say that this regular strawberry is like a 5 out of 10, you know, compared to like the super flavorful one. Well, these rose-shaped ones, they're less. You know, they're much less. I'd say it's like a 2. It's like a 2 out of 10 compared to the Japanese strawberry that I had. These are like a 5 out of 10. These are like, they do have a strawberry taste, but it's overshadowed by that additional brightness that it has. It's like the tartness of a tart strawberry, but without the flavor of a tart strawberry. But it's not bad, it's just different. So if you like your strawberries to have like a little bit more bite to them, these roseberries are worth picking up. If you want something that has a very strong strawberry taste, you might want to give them a pass. I think this is definitely a matter of preference. This cost me about $5 for this small container of them. This big one here, and this was at EATaly though, which is a very high-end market. This one costs $3.50 for twice as much. It's not worth that, in my opinion. But if you can get these for the same price as regular strawberries, I would pick them up just to kind of compare them, because they are good. They're just very different, and who knows, you might like them more. But if you're going for a very strong, distinct strawberry taste, regular strawberries are better for that. They look really cool. Be a cool thing to try out if you like to cook, and or if you like to make strawberry dishes and you want to like mix it up a little bit. Totally worth trying. Otherwise, yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So guys, I will see you next time. Bye. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, you may want to check out the video that is below me right now. That should be good too. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, it is a huge help to my channel, so please do consider subscribing or clicking that bell. That does something too. Not sure what it is. Also, check out the description below. There's all sorts of other things I have going on. I don't even know anymore. But guys, I will see you next time. Take care.